all fractional numbers are rational numbers. Is it? Let's see. We say that if, let's take 3 over 7 or 5 over 8. What does a fraction number say? It says that it can be p over q. It is of the form p over q, where p can be 0 and any positive integer, and q cannot be equal to 0 and can be any positive integer, right? So 3 over 7, 5 over 8, 0 over 9, or say that I'm writing in the form of mixed number. Let's say that's 7, 1 divided by 4. So this becomes what? This becomes 29 over 4. This is a mixed number. Now this 29 over 4 is a fraction. Clearly, all these are actually rational number, because the definition of rational number clearly says that the rational number is of the form p over q, where p can be 0, can be any positive integer, and can be negative integer as well. Similarly, q cannot be equal to 0 but can be positive. This is a rational number, and also it can be negative also. Now since it can be positive and negative integer also, so it will contain all the fractions surely are going to have either 0 in the numerator or a positive integer. Similarly, the denominator will have a negative integer, a positive integer. So clearly this is actually a rational number. Yes, fractional numbers are rational numbers. Okay,